I want to do a couple of examples of converting numbers in scientific notation and e-notation into standard form. And this happens in statistics when you have numbers that are very close to zero with some zeros in front of the decimal. It's like 0.00000 something. They'll often write numbers like that in either scientific or exponential notation. So I want to do a couple of examples of converting these kinds of numbers into standard form. So here's a number in scientific notation, 3.2 times 10 to the minus 4. And this is what they call scientific notation. The number in front is always between 1 and 10 times 10 to some exponent. The exponent could be positive, but I'm not worried about that. Will give us very big numbers. I'm only interested in these negative exponents. And the way to convert this is whatever number that is, you see it's a 4, put one less number of zeros in front of the 32 here to get it in standard form. So to convert this to standard form, 3.2 times 10 to the negative 4 equals, start with a decimal point. That's a 4, put 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and then copy the 32. That's the number in standard form. The same concept applies for numbers that are in e-notation, which you might see coming up on the calculator sometimes. 6.38 e minus 6, that's a number in e form or exponential notation that comes up on the calculator. Convert to standard form. This minus 6 is sort of the same thing as the minus 4, and the e is sort of like the 10. So 6.38 e minus 6. So because that's a minus 6, I'm going to put one less zero in front of the 6. So I'm going to put 5 zeros, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then copy the 638. And that's 6.38 e minus 6 written in standard form.